Hi, I'm Varney, and today we'll be speaking about how to access your hologram. And by the end of this video, you will know what is a hologram, how it's created, how do you access your personal hologram and what's its benefits, and what are some of the most popular ways to access your personal hologram today, and how can you ensure that your personal hologram is providing you with the best possible experience in your life. And are there any risks associated with using a personal hologram? But before we get into the content, be sure to like and subscribe. And also, if you're serious about quantum jumping, please come over to the Spiritual Awakening Academy, where we can really go in depth with this and so many other spiritual programs, manifestation techniques, healing techniques, spiritual techniques, you name, we have it. So let's get into how to access your hologram. So, have you ever wondered what it would be like to venture to other dimensions? I go into other dimensions every single day. But what if there was a way for you to easily access other universes without having to leave your body behind? And according to quantum mechanics, this is possible. You can simply use your hologram projector to hop across different realities. Quantum jumping is the ability to leave your body, travel to other dimensions, and it's an essential skill for spiritual explorers. And today we're going to show you how to access your hologram and quantum jump. First, just find a comfortable position where you can relax your body and clear your mind, and close your eyes and take a few deep breaths until you feel calm and centered as we talk about what is your hologram. So let me just share my screen, and so we can really see the hologram. Here we go. Okay. So please disregard this. You'll see all about this in the what is quantum jumping, but we are specifically just going to look at the hologram, access and the parallel realities in the hologram. So what is a hologram? The hologram is your hologram, your blueprint of you, yeah, in your current reality, your past reality, and your future reality. So basically what I do is I see a blue outline. Now, you could be a different color. It could be purple, it could be yellow. It doesn't matter. It's whatever, excuse me, it's whatever how your psyche sees it. So I see it as a blue, a greeny hologram. I also see that it's gridded. There's like lots of grids, but I see them as white grids. I couldn't get any white grid thingy, but just to show you there. And when we're going into the hologram and how it's created, it's created in your mind's eye. You're just setting the intention, you're going to see your hologram. And we're going to go into the other dimensions, into your future dimensions. Now, I've actually done some really weird and wonderful things with my hologram, and with my students. We've when we're using it as a healing technique. So, for instance, if the hologram is we've quantum jumped into the hologram, and the person that you're jumping for, or yourself, if you're jumping for yourself, if you have pain within the body, say you've got a pain in the arm or the back, even, we'll go with the back, we'll say the back. So basically what you do is you would go in, you'll access the new healthy, pure health, vitality hologram of you in the future reality of how it is, what it would look like with no dis-ease or negative energy within the body. And then what you would do is you would, in your yourself, before in the hologram, you would bring white light down into the heart space, white light coming up from Mother Earth into the heart space and from source down into the heart space. You would also bring white light. I push these energy centers here. You'll feel the vibration. I bring light out there as well. Now I can really go for it and get you really blow your minds, because what I also do is, if the hologram isn't healed in any way, I actually have different white hands because I'm going in the parallel reality as a hologram. So I have sometimes I can have 10 pair of hands coming out of me, and I'll put that with white light onto the hologram to take away any negative energy, any dis-ease within the body or what have you. I use the hologram to actually take it out of the present moment, like so. Yeah. If that really, you want to know more about that, please click the link below. I do a mentorship where I help you really create a powerful level manifestation, and we access your hologram, we quantum jump, we do so many other things as well that's way out there that really does work. So what we do is we then go and access the personal hologram. So we go into the timeline. This is how you would do it. You go into your heart space first. You set the intention in your heart space. You bring source light down and to release stagnant energy. So you want stagnant energy released. You then are you go into and you bring light up from Earth. You then go into your timeline, so which is in front of you. Watch the video of what's your timeline, and it will show you how to change your timeline to where it needs to be to quantum jump. If you want to know a wee bit more of why you're doing that, look at the video of the why do you need to move your timeline, and it will tell you. So you've seen that, you know this. So you see the video, the thing here, and then what you do is we stand in the present moment in your mind's eye. You're actually going onto there. And what I do is I see myself as a hologram standing in the present moment. I just see it standing. And then I set the intention, I'm going to go and get my hologram like this and into the parallel reality, into the future reality. Now, the future reality is in waves. So there's lots and lots and lots of holograms that you can choose. You want the best that far exceeds your expectations. You want the best. So what you'll do is you will go and find that hologram in your future, in your mind's eye. Once you get that hologram, you'll make sure that it's pure light. There's no any denseness on there. There's not any redness or heaviness or anything like that. And if there is, just ask for a better hologram. Just ask for someone better. It's all about intention, remember. It's all about being crystal clear. Yeah. And once you've got that hologram that is pure light, you will bring that hologram back onto your timeline. And what you'll do is ask the timeline, the hologram, what are the benefits it's going to bring for you? What's the benefits that it's going to bring? And once you get what the benefits are, then you're going to merge with the hologram and really feel that merge. You can feel it energetically when you merge it. When you merge with that hologram, you'll take one step towards your future with the hologram, and you'll ask, what is my action steps that I need to take in order to achieve the intention that I set? And now the most popular ways for to access your personal hologram to do is to quantum jump. Yeah. As I say, set the intention, bring source light down, release stagnant energy, go into the parallel reality. Now, this is what I do sometimes when I'm really wanting a really powerful manifestation to come. What I do is I imagine that there's 9 holograms of me. I set the intention as 9 of me, and we're all in a row in the present moment. So it's as if we're going into the parallel reality. And what I do is I send those 9 holograms out to get the best hologram that I need to bring back the manifestation of the intention that I want. And sometimes I get more than one. And if I get more than one, I'll merge them all together because they're all bringing back different properties, different, amazingness, we'll say. That's why I have such a great life. Yeah. This really does work, guys. It really does work, because I work with this all the time. And my students work with it. My clients work with it. It really does work. You just got to do the work. Yeah. And then what I'll do if I have the 9 holograms is what I'll do is I'll step in the present moment on my timeline and I'll have the 9 holograms around me, and then they'll bring the hologram back in to that circle. So the 9 holograms are around me and the hologram, and then we'll merge together and really feel that. And this is the best way to bring back the personal hologram that's providing you with the best possible experience in your life. And some people say to me, is there any risks associated with using a personal hologram? I've never came across any. Never came across any. I think the only risk that you have is you don't live the life that you should be living, what you're here to do, your purpose, your passion. What I will say is have no attachments to it. Just have fun with it. Because that's what I'll keep saying that. Really have fun with playing with your hologram. Now, if there's pain in the body, anywhere there's pain, you can then go into the hologram and you can cut a part of the body. So say, for instance, it was your back. Yeah. You would cut the hologram at the groin area, the arms, and the head. And then you would bring the body of that hologram and you bring the body back in to the present time and merge with that body. So that basically what you're doing is you're taking out, so you would have 2 holograms, the present, the future. You would take out the pain, where the pain body is. So you would cut the pain body, but when you're cutting the pain body from the present, always cut the head at the back, so the head's just down. You're not cutting the head right off. It just doesn't matter if you do, to be honest with you. But why you do that is you're allowing the mind thought energy that's created that pain in the first place. You're allowing that energy to be released. And that's why you do that. And then you would just bring back in the new hologram into the body. And then you would where you're bringing back. So you would obviously you've cut your body, you've cut the new hologram's body, you've took your old body away, you've brought in the new body, and then you would seal it all up with white light. And it's just all intention. It's all done with the head. And I know it sounds way out there, but it really does work. It really does work. And then you would just thing this with white light here, and then here at the legs and at the head, so that everything's all sealed up. The reason you do it with the white light is because you're not bringing dense or negative energy back into the clean energy. That really blew your mind, doesn't it? I'm Anne Varney, spiritual coach, mentor, teacher, author, podcaster. And if this is something that you really want to delve right into and get more information about, come over to the Spiritual Awakening Academy at annevarney.com, link down below. And if you want to really, you need someone to mentor you, you can apply to work with me. I don't take everybody. It's just I only work with people who I know I can help massively. Speak to you later, guys. Bye-bye.